Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you Amazon Product Scraper version 3.0 to scrap the products data from Amazon. In this video, you will see how I have extracted all these Amazon products data by using this latest version. So this is our tool. Now I'm going to explain all of its new features and how to use this tool to scrap Amazon products. To run this tool, you will get this zip file from me. You will have to extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Okay, here we have three methods of scrapping. First, by using the keywords. Second, by using the product links. For example, this is a product page, and if I copy this link and make a list of all the desired product links, I can use these links here. Now the bot will scrap all these products one by one. And in this option, we can use category URLs or any store URL. For example, this is a category. If I open this one and copy this link, the bot will scrap all these products, including all the pages. And if I open a brand page or store link and use its link, the bot will scrap all these products. Okay. Now we are going to do scrapping by using the keywords. You can use multiple keywords at the same time. Once you put your keywords, go in the option section to select the data columns you want to scrap. I have selected all. And you can also specify the website region. I am selecting the default one. And when all these things are done, click the start button. Okay, it has opened the Amazon website and search our first keyword, and now it will scrap all these products data, including all the pages. Now it is scraping the data. You can count the number of results by right-clicking on the footer and select count. Now it will show number of scrapped products. It is scrapping product title, price, list price, brand category, and all these data columns. Okay. And you can also download the images by enabling this feature. I am enabling it and show you how it downloads the images. It downloads the images by default in this folder. It first creates a new folder named with the ASIN number, and inside it downloads the images. Okay. And data is saving on two places. One is here, and second is in the SQLite database, which is integrated with this bot. Let me show you. It is also saving all time data here in this database. You can easily export this data later from here. Okay. And here you will have to type your email. For example, I type my email and select the time interval. I am selecting on completion and click apply button. Now it will notify me on my email once it gets completed. And you can also specify the number of products to be scrapped for each keyword. For example, I type here 25 products. Now the bot will scrap 25 for mugs, 25 for water bottles, and 25 for laptops. And if I enable this option, it will also export the data for each keyword separately. It will keep scrapping in this way. To save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see results. Okay, the scrapping process is near to be completed. Okay, it is showing message that all data has been scrapped and exported. Now I show you where it has exported the data. It exports data by default in this folder. And here, as we have enabled this option, so we had 3 keywords and these are 3 separate files. Let's open one file. Okay, we had 25 products for each keyword. This is a separate file and this is the complete file having all the products of all keywords. Okay, and we can also export the data manually. Click export button, select your output location. For example, I select my desktop and name your file here and select the output format and export it. Now it has exported all the data. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our data is ready. Okay, and as we have enabled this email notification system, now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have got the email and it is showing that all data has been scrapped and 75 products from this application. Okay, so this is our tool. You can scrap thousands of products data by using this tool. This tool is perfect for Amazon sellers, dropshippers, VAs and anyone who works with products data. If you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is provided in the description. And if you find this tool helpful, share your thoughts and subscribe to this channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.